All right, thank you, Derek. Rod Sickler with Rod Sickler Salon and Spa is back, and we've got a look at a holiday style that we've got going on here.
Yeah, we've completed this more casual look. This is Gina. She looks beautiful. What we did, you know, the key to is just a really good solid round brushing. Yeah, you asked earlier, can you do it at home? Of course you can, but it's nice when you come in the salon.
Right.
You know, it gives you that, it just starts a holiday feeling for you. You know, you're going to go to a party, let it start in the salon. You can come in, you can get your makeup touched up, you can get your hair done. You know, we worked with a little bit of back brushing through here just to give it. And notice how we went with the part in the center. You know, so much we've been going side to side, but you know, you're seeing the parts move a little bit and still having the nice volume. One key too, I cut Gina's hair before the show, and it's important to know that how we layer at Rod Sickler Salon Spa is very different than other places, and this is what I like about it, is how it has this fullness to the top. You get the volume, but notice how long these ends are, and there's not one bit of stringiness to the hair, because a lot of times you'll see people will leave this stringy and take too much out here, and they leave it too thick and heavy on top. I think if there's been one of the key to the growth of our salon over the last, we've been open 7 years now, or there's been one key, it's because we layer differently than everyone else. And I think that's one of the reasons why I think our clients keep coming back. They just like that volume, and you can see this, how great she looks. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to take it. We'll be back later in the show again. I have to go back to work. Paige and John, you guys did great work here. They'll be back. We're going to give her something of an up style, something a little more festive, something for a little more of a formal holiday party. And remember, guys, there's no better way to shop for the holidays this year than coming to Rod Sickler Salon and Spa. Check us out at rodsickler.com and get your gift cards. Yeah, now make it easy on yourself.
This was all just done with the blow dryer. No curling iron to get the curl going on here.
A great haircut
I wish I could do
and
that.
a great blowout and a little bit, and then great products to finish off. Sexy hair products.
Yeah, which ones are they using?
We use Smooth and Seal. That'll add some shine to the hair. It also is humidity resistant, great for the summer, but you know, even with the winter time a bit. And then spray and play over the top for firm yet flexible hold.
All right. Well, you look amazing. You look like you're ready for a party. Yes. Well, we're going to get you ready for New Year's.
Yes, now with the New Year's looks coming up. That's right.
Okay, well, thanks so much for coming in.
It's great to be here.
Great hairstyles here. If you like any more information on Rod Sickler and his salon and spa, go to CILiving.tv after today's show, and we'll get you connected.